If you've ever grown sweet peas, you might be wondering what these things are. Well, these things that you see are actually seed pods which the sweet pea flowers have created. They can only be, you can only get to this stage once the plant has actually dried out, like you see here. So if you're wondering how you can collect these, I'll show you now. What I would suggest is firstly start off by collecting all your seed pods. So use a pair of secateurs and just cut them off. Just collect them like that. Any that you see, it's just easier to work with once they come off the plant, and I'll show you what to do next once you've collected all the seed pods. So once you've picked all your seed pods, all you need is a container. Put a tissue paper in there, and then you just literally open up your seed pods. Now you can see that those seeds are nice. They're a good shape. They're pretty large, and just push them out. So look at these. There you go. It's lovely. So just save them. Put them in. Now it's important that you use a tissue here, just so it can get rid of any moisture in the seeds. If you don't do that, then what will happen, if you just put them straight on a plastic, in a plastic container, there's a higher risk that they will rot. So you don't want that to happen. There you go. Just go through all of them. And save them all. Now I've been collecting these seeds, quite a few over the last couple of days. Now I will just keep these stored away until January. Keep them in here. Don't put a lid on them, because if there's any moisture it will rise, and again it will rot them away. So just leave them open like this, put them in a cool dark place, and sow them in January for some beautiful sweet peas next year.